Hey guys, what is up? Today we're going to be talking all about how to grow on TikTok. A little bit about myself. I am an influencer. I have 2.2 million followers. Okay, first things first, let's get into audio. Now you guys have probably heard, make sure you use a trending audio. Audios are important, but I want to break it down for you guys and tell you guys how exactly to find those audios. If you actually go on your TikTok, if you go to sounds, there's a bunch of audios that you can select from. But one thing that you've probably noticed is all those songs are only 1-minute version songs. So there's not the 15-second songs or 30-second songs, and sometimes those are the songs that go viral, the songs that are sped up or someone did like a remix to it, but they don't always appear on that page. So how to find these audios is, of course, being on your For You page, those audios will come up because they are trending. That's one way to do it. Another way to do it is the Discover page on TikTok, where you see all the trending hashtags. You can find those type of audios there. Another tip I have in terms of like audios is make sure you guys are following all the top people in your niche. So for example, if you're in the fashion niche and someone with 1 million followers uses a specific song, if you use that song and even if you don't go viral, because someone else with 1 million followers has used it and there's so many eyes who are into fashion have seen that, because you used that sound, the chance of your video now going in front of people who are actually interested in fashion are way higher. TikTok likes to show things that they've already seen before, or similar things such as the same creators that they've watched or the same sounds that they've listened to. So that's why I recommend using the sounds that people in your niche are using, because you're just gonna get more engagement and more of the right eyes on your account. I'm also doing one-on-ones, so if you guys are interested in one-on-one coaching, check out the description box below. I will leave all the information on how to reach out to me. Let's address this next thing, which is niche, which is, should I niche or not? Everybody has more than one hobby, more than one interest. It can get very confusing if you start doing like food vlogs and then all of a sudden you're talking about, I guess, like do a gaming video, right? It's too uncorrelated, if that's the word. Now, it's one thing to do like makeup videos and then do skincare, like that kind of falls under beauty, so it makes sense. But when you have two completely different separate niches, at the end of the day, that's what makes you you. You have different hobbies and you can't really hide that. Allow yourself to display those, because you don't want to box yourself into just one niche. And a lot of people that I've spoken to said they're really unhappy doing that. So what I would recommend is spend 60 to 70% of your content on your main niche. So if you're doing makeup, you would do 60 to 70% of your videos would go towards that. Now the rest, 30 to 40%, would go to your other niches. So if you're into fashion, if you are into vlog style videos or vlogging, then that would be the 30-40%. Now that seems like a big chunk, but when you really think about it, if you're posting like 10 videos a week, that's about like 3 to 4 videos only, and you can split that up however you want, and as long as the bulk of your content goes towards one niche. And even that, it's more so at the beginning, and then once you get your followers and your engagement, you can kind of dictate how you want to run your account. Sometimes people are okay with you doing a little bit of everything after, and sometimes they're not okay with it. They still want you to stick with that one main niche, but at least they won't be surprised when you start posting content that's not just your main niche. And a plus side to that is the more niches you do, the more brand deals that you can get. So let's say I like vlogging, and I like skincare, and I like makeup, and I like fashion. If I start splitting my videos between all those 4 niches, you're looking at makeup brand deals, fashion brand deals, skincare brand deals, and I don't know for vlogging, but like lifestyle brand deals. I'm also going to be filming a video on how to make money on TikTok, so make sure you guys like this video, so I will spill all the tea on how I make money. Okay, the next thing I definitely want to talk about is talking on TikTok. You are going to go more viral if you don't talk. However, that doesn't necessarily mean it's a good thing. Going viral on TikTok doesn't necessarily mean you're doing things right. I have seen many people, including myself, who have gone viral and that ended up hurting their engagement more than favoring it at all. I've actually talked to some creators on Instagram as well whose all the work they put in kind of got ruined because they went viral, and now they have a bunch of people who don't really care about their content, but they just cared about that one video following them. That's unfortunately the kind of culture that TikTok and all this short form videos have really created for us. It's just people really like to invest in that 1 second video, not 1 second, but like that 10-second video and like us, and then they don't like any of our content. They scroll past all other content, even if it's the same niche, because they just don't like it, and it's honestly a mess. They always split your videos. So like, let's say you post 5 a day, make sure you do at least 2 where you're talking and then 3 for non-talking, because at the end of the day, the non-talking videos do perform better and you do want to get your content reach to more people. So it's just about finding that balance. Also, when it comes to brand deals, 90% of the time brand deals want you to talk because they can't use music because it's copyright. The next thing I would say is lives are really important. Commenting back is really important. Just connecting with your audience, because at the end of the day, they are the ones investing in you, so you have to invest in them. That doesn't necessarily mean doing more content, because you were already doing that before they were there. That's how you got them in the first place. So what I mean is like replying back to every comment. It's tedious, but it's worth it. Obviously, I'm not expecting you guys to, you know, comment back on a video that goes viral, but for the most part, you know, when you're getting the 1 to 10K views and you get like 5-6 comments, every single one of them should be answered. If it's a hate comment, either delete, block, or you can reply, but everything else should be answered. When it comes to lives, I know a lot of people always say that, you know, they don't have the time, you know, they're working full-time, they have like full-time jobs, they are in school full-time, which I totally understand, and your life gets hectic. But what I love about TikTok is you don't need like the perfect filtered background with makeup. Like, you don't need all that to necessarily go on live. You can easily be brushing your teeth and you can hop on live for like 10 minutes. That is more than enough. They just want to see your face. They just want to connect with you, even if it's like a quick 10 minutes. But like, let's say you're finished work or school and you're gonna doze off on the bus anyways, hop on live, go in a corner of the bus, do it while you're commuting, because that extra 10 minutes, 20 minutes will go a long way. Because 20 minutes every single day is 100, that's almost 2 hours a week, because those people who come on your live will really start to invest in you more, because they just get to know you personally. And once people are personally invested, it just makes it so much easier for you as an influencer and as a content creator, because at the end of the day, the way we make money is through convincing other people to buy product, to check out a product or service. So if you don't have that trust, you're not really going to be making much money as an influencer or content creator. Let me know if you guys have any questions, and comment down below what you guys want to see next. I will definitely film that for you guys, and I will see you guys next time.